1 hour.
That was reached by an honorable member of this assembly, which I want to bring to the attention of honorable member and Mr. Speaker for necessary action. Mr. Speaker, received comment. I rise today to draw the attention of this honorable house to a great infringement of my privilege and rights, as well as an unwarranted attack on my personality, that of the leadership of this house, and indeed the institution of the State House of Assembly. This attack was perpetrated by the member representing Accuses State Constituency on the private city, only a public who were held in service. The matter has since gained widespread public attention and is capable of undermining my integrity, damaging my reputation, and eroding public confidence in this assembly. This unfortunate issue arose from a speech delivered by Honorable City Secretary, which was subsequently broadcasted across various online platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other social media outlets. In that speech, Mr. Speaker, I was forcefully accused of offering and receiving bribe from the chairman of Accuses local government in order to influence or motivate the cause of an investigation of wrongdoing against the said chairman. I categorically and unequivocally state that these allegations are baseless, malicious, and entirely falsehood and untrue. It is shocking and disappointing that honorable Shisu would deliberately spread such unfounded lies. For the record, Mr. Speaker, directed me to look into the petitions of the against the said chairman of Accuses, and I literally carry out that responsibility. It's clear that the chairman bribed or has been bribing the leadership of this house are not only also consistent, but also meticulously fabricated to mislead the public. These allegations are clearly intended to tarnish my image, ridicule my posture, and cast aspersion on the integrity of this honorable assembly. In his final video, Honorable Chichi did not stop at attacking me personally. He went further to malign the exalted office of the honorable speaker, that of Right Honorable, alleging that the speaker was talking because of justice due to political party sentiment. Such insinuations are not only false, but also dangerous, as they attempt to portray this house as partisan and unjust. Let it be firmly stated that the State House of Assembly has never been involved in political favorism. Furthermore, honorable Chichi people the House Pressure ad hoc committee that carry out oversight function in Oyo North, where Saki West falls. They have put the committee of wrongdoing, despite the fact that he deliberately absented himself from this important assignment, as has been his habitual practice in the House. His absence from political legislative duties before about his commitment to the responsibility entrusted to him by his constituents. Mr. Speaker, this action has completely attempted to embarrass, castigate, and destroy the image of the Oyo State House of Assembly. This is not the first time Honorable Chichi has embarked on character assassination, spreading falsehood, and calculated lie against the leadership and institution of this assembly. His repeated action are designed to curry favor from unsuspecting member of the constituency, we go setting on new sentiment and bring the good name of this state and legislative institution into disrepute.
I'm sure maybe if not all of us, or most of us have seen the video in question. There's no use or there's no point playing the audio. I'm sure that would further deepen the wounds that the majority leader already suffers. It's a shame that sometimes we as public office holders fail to understand the importance and the gravity of the office that we hold, and how the things that we utter, has ramifications beyond what we might think. I was, one way or the other, the video was sent to me by not less than over 20 individuals. I also suffered some sort of injury, and it's a shame that it is, one of us that it's coming from. If it was an outside attack, we can ignore it, and other people too might ignore it. But when it is coming from within, it gives it some sort of more attention, and some credibility might be attached to such utterances. For a long time, I've decided to ignore situations like this, but I think once the allegation of bribery is a serious allegation, and it's one that by all means it might have to be proved by whoever is alleging such grave allegations. And I pray for your sake that it ends in the assembly, but whatever action that is seen after this, to every action there's also an opposite reaction. So I guess it is not to me, and so it's also not up to the leader of the house. But I believe that we have the committee that is saddled with such responsibility to investigate and to recommend to the house as to actions that should be taken.